Pretty boy. Finally made it off the deck. Did you find your girlfriends? Huh? Old silly Nilly. She's probably still in the back. Let me help you go find her? All right, I had hit... There you go. That's what I was waiting for. Tell him. Say, get around here. It's getting dark. Come on. There you go. Come on, do it again. You can't see the little red laser though, no? In the video it doesn't.
The hens either run away or chase it.
Pretty boy. Come on, do it again. Good boy. He's a good boy, huh? You used to be king of the coop, but you got demoted.